What's up, y'all? It's Quijuandas. Welcome back to my channel. I appreciate each and every one of you. Today's video will be a product review, and the product that I'll be reviewing is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask from Shea Moisture. I saw this at my local Walmart, never tried it before, but according to my research, this mask has some pretty good reviews, so hopefully I'm able to add to them. Now we get right into this product review, but before I do, please subscribe if you haven't, tap the bell to be notified every time I upload a video, and like this video if you like it. So the directions say, after shampooing, apply a generous amount of the strengthening mask from roots to ends, comb through for even distribution, place a plastic cap over your hair and sit under a warm dryer for 10 to 15 minutes. And this mask may be left on for up to 30 minutes without using heat. So I'm about to go in here and shampoo my hair, and then y'all will see the application process in the next clip. I left the mask in for about 30 minutes and here's what my hair looks like afterwards. This product claims to help promote natural growth by supporting hair elasticity, to reduce the appearance of breakage and shedding, and to leave the hair soft, manageable, and shiny. After rinsing out the product, my hair felt very soft, moisturized, and my curls were coming through. The peppermint also left my scalp feeling very nice. I love a good tingle. Overall, this treatment mask left a good first impression on me, and I recommend giving it a try if you have not done so already. You can always go for the small packets like I did before committing to the full-size jar. So I hope y'all enjoyed this product review and that it was helpful in some way. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with all your people. And until next time, I will talk to y'all later.